We just got to 7 Magic Mountains right outside of Las Vegas, where we just parked the car and we're about to hop out and walk over and see what it's all about. So come with us.
Come on. Come on. Come on, baby girl.
All right, there's the 7 Magic Mountains. These are some big boulders that were painted as an art installation right outside of town. So if you're ever in Vegas and you want something to do besides gamble or eat good food or shop, there's a lot of outdoor activities that you can do, and this is one of them. It was about 10 minutes off of the highway going south towards California on the I-15. There's a ton of people out here. It is Easter Sunday, so there is a lot of people out here. Some people are wearing masks, some people aren't. I can just see her. She's like pulling so hard.
She's our new dog.
She's just like fighting to like go to talk to everyone else.
Yeah. Come on, my little attack dog. Killer, no. Killer, no. Killer, no.
Luna, you can't say hi to everyone. We won't ever get anywhere.
There you go, baby. Her name's Cujo when we're out here. Come on, Cujo. Cujo or Killer? Killer. Wouldn't that be so funny? Killer, no. Killer, no. Killer down. Killer down. Killer, no. Killer, heal. Killer, heal.
We have arrived.
Ooh, I didn't know you could walk all the way up to it. Man, this is cool. Well, I like.
I wore my bright colors today to match.
Chill in the shade. Let's go walk.
We have some dune buggies over there. Dune buggies and 4-wheelers. I guess they're doing tours maybe. Oh, look at somebody's climbing up there. Oh.
See if I can take my sword.
Oh, there's another doggy. Hi.
Mine doesn't. Something happened.
You want to say hi? You want to pet her? She's really nice. Oh, I like your pants. It has cats all over it. Her name's Luna. She's cute, huh?
Introduce yourself. Say hi, Luna. I'm Riley.
She's just a baby. She's only 15 weeks old. So about 3 months old. Oh, don't jump, Luna.
Let her jump.
Don't jump.
Don't let her jump.
Don't jump. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Seven Magic Mountains is an artwork of thresholds and crossings, balanced marvels and excessive colors of casting and gathering, and the contrary air between the desert and the city lights. Limestone boulders stacked vertically in groups ranging between 3 and 6. Each stone boasts a different fluorescent color. Each individual totem stands between 30 and 35 feet high. The artwork extends Ron Dion's long-running interest in natural phenomena.
Oh, sorry.
Inspired by naturally occurring hoodoos and balancing rock formations, the stacks also evoke the art of meditative rock balancing.
You need to go grab my phone.
The works appear poised between monumentally and collapse and seemingly to defy gravity in their teetering formations, but equally to depend on it. Why was this location chosen for the artwork? Located a short distance from Nevada's legendary Gene Dry Lake, where Gene Tinguely and Michael Heiser created significant sculptures, Seven Magic Mountains is one of the largest land-based art installations in the United States, completed in over 40 years.